Hello there, Holistic here. I wanted to give an update, just a brief update on the NMN that I have been taking. I mentioned it in a previous video. I had researched and been following David Sinclair and his podcast up on YouTube. And I've been researching the NMN for about 6 to 9 months before I was willing to take it myself. So I just started this year, 2022. And I absolutely love the NMN. I got that burst of energy. I could tell a difference. My skin was starting to change and it tightened back up right away. I was pretty happy about that. But a couple things happened, and after, I switched up brands and things like that on some of the products, and I'm also taking the TMG. Well, I had upped my dose. I'm a very small female, and I'm so susceptible to any. If a doctor gives me a medication, I probably will find a side effect that's like way down at the bottom of the chain somewhere. Like, it's ridiculous. So I'm very, very susceptible to stuff. Well, I started at 250 milligrams. I didn't want to take a whole gram of it. And then I worked my way up to 500. So the second month I'm on 500. And this is at my previous job just a little while ago. I started to have some chest pains. And of course, everybody around me, I mean, you know how people are, right? So everybody around me is like, well, it's the supplements you're taking. You can't be taking weird stuff and experimenting on yourself. So, I took myself into the doctor. It was really, really uncomfortable, like really uncomfortable. I took myself to the doctor. So I go into the ER, and they do the blood work. They do the X-rays. They take the EKG. They do all the stuff, And the results that I got, and I'm pretty happy about this, they said for my age, I'm not going to tell you what my age is yet, but for my age, that I had the healthiest heart and lungs that they had seen. And so, in fact, the diagnosis is that I had some pulled chest muscles. So I'm happy to report back from my own personal experience, and the doctors say I've got a clean bill of health with my heart and my lungs, that NMN is doing me good with the TMG. Is doing me good. And I'm not going to up the dosage again. I like the results that I'm getting with the 500 milligrams. And one of the reasons why I started these is because I tried looking for the before and afters on YouTube of all the people who are taking this supplement, right? And there's not, I found 3 or 4 people, and that's it. I didn't find a whole lot of people who are making videos on this and doing this. So I love it. If you like the content of this, go ahead, make a few comments, ask some questions, like, subscribe, you know the drill. But that's my update, and I will keep going, give you another update in a month or 2.